I will be day trading futures with one strategy and one strategy only: supply and demand. I have some experience trading penny stocks and options but have failed miserably due to my gambling mindset. So for this video, I only have one goal: break even or be profitable. Can you make money in the stock market with day trading as a total beginner? I'll review all my trading results and why you might want to consider this as your main side hustle.
Thank you for doing this today.
For the first week, I studied everything I could about the supply and demand strategy. Oh, but before we get into that strategy, day trading is when you buy and sell stocks on the same day without holding on to them long term. You can day trade other securities like forex, options, or even futures. Going back to the supply and demand strategy, it is actually quite simple. You have these zones that the stock will create called the supply and demand. It becomes a supply if the stock sells off in a violent move. The next time a stock returns to this supply zone, you can expect a reversal which you can capitalize on the drop. This goes the same for the demand zone. If a stock comes to a demand zone after creating one, you can expect it to bounce off and move up. In essence, this all sounds simpler than it actually is, but it's a lot harder to execute in real time because you often get fake outs that will break through the zone without reversing. So after going through the videos on YouTube regarding this strategy, I also went back to study a course I purchased 3 years ago called InvestiTrade. I'm not sponsored or endorsed by them, but it's just what I pay for, so might as well learn from it. After I had studied enough, I did get into some live trading on Thursday and Friday. On Thursday, I took one trade and made $700. And on Friday, I placed one trade again and made $1,031.25. Honestly, I told myself I was going to be super patient and wait for the best entries each day. So in total, we are currently up $1,731.25. Before I go over the week 2 results, you may wonder what exactly are futures. Futures are contracts that allow you to buy or sell an asset at a set price on a specific date in the future. For instance, imagine you and your friend love a candy priced at $1 per piece today. You both decide to sign a futures contract to buy 10 candies at $1 each to be delivered tomorrow. Tomorrow, even if the candy prices rise to $1.50 per piece, you both will get the candies at the agreed $1 price. This way you save 50 cents per candy, but in our case we're not actually going to be holding any contracts until it expires, which then you have that obligation to buy at a certain price. We're only day trading it just like any other stock, so the information is pretty much irrelevant to us. So on the week 2, I made $575 in total. I've had 3 consecutive winning days from Monday to Wednesday, and I gave back all the profits on Thursday with 4 losing trades in a row. Thankfully, I returned strong on Friday by sticking with the plan as always. So far with week 1 and 2, we are up $2,306.25.
Nice.
Okay, by week 3, I was getting confident with the trades, and by this time, I could see the market more clearly and analyze how the price moves and react to technical analysis. Thankfully, I closed the week with $602.50 of profit, putting our running profit at $2,908.75. Finally, on week 4, which was the last week at the time of this recording, I actually had an unprofitable week of minus $1,145. I think the overconfidence has gotten to my head and I was forcing trades that aren't a good setup. I was also trying some new things which I still have no idea why I did. So with the final week complete, our total for all the trades came out to $1,763.75 profit. But I have a little confession to make.
What'd you do?
I didn't place real cash trades. I was on a simulator. Those are for the apparent reasons of testing the strategy, but I don't recommend anyone to go with real money unless they practice in the simulator with their strategies. If you can't be profitable in a simulator, there is no way you can be profitable with real money.
I'm here to deliver a hard truth.
Although the psychology of not risking your real money is different from using fake money, as long as the plan is executed, which we did on the first month, we shouldn't have much trouble doing it with real cash. But as a follow-up to this, I'll be documenting my journey of trading with real money in the upcoming videos. As you know, I currently have my ongoing challenge of building my Etsy business and my other YouTube cash cow channel, which you should definitely stick around to follow the journey since I am transparent with all the results and my process of building a successful business. business. If you're looking for what side hustles to try for yourself, then check out this video here. Thanks for watching. Peace.